Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about Dart null assertion operator. What is null assertion operator? It is shown with the exclamation mark and it makes shows that any variable that we are going to use in the code will not be nullable. I will recommend not to use this operator everywhere because it can lead to the red screen error in Flutter. So let's demonstrate with an example. Going to take a variable test of type integer. Here I am going to assign this integer variable test to another variable which is not nullable, int x. I'm going to print it. You see the error, script error. Why does that happen? Because Dart sees that there is the value of the test variable is nullable and we are going to assign it a not nullable variable x. Now we are going to demonstrate it with an example of the function. The return type of function we are using is nullable. If we are going to use this function return value to assign that value to the x variable, it will give us an error. Why? Because int x is not nullable and the function's return type is nullable. To solve this, we can use the exclamation mark, but this is not the right approach. Because sometimes the value can be null from a function in our code when our code is lengthy and it might break our code and give us the red screen error. We should do it with another operator, if null operator. So even if we are returning null, if null operator makes sure that the value is given to the x variable even if the return type is 0. And if we remove that if null operator, we need to give it null assertion operator, which basically tells that the value that we are receiving will not be null, and because of this we are getting an error because the value we are receiving is null. So this is the way we are going to use null assertion operator in our code. Thank you for watching.